Well, we weren't supposed to get any rain today. That's one thing I love about Belize, though. It reminds me of Florida. When they tell you it's not going to rain, it's probably going to rain. Well, look at that sky tonight off this deck. Look at that. Hummingbirds are mad at me. I just pushed them away. But look at that view. Oh, there's the hummingbirds. They're all in that tree. Yep, here they are. Tell me that's not ominous looking though. Just beautiful. What a beautiful evening. It cooled it down really, really fast. I love watching those clouds form. Usually over here, nighttime when the storms are inland, even in Guatemala, you can see the lightning there'll be lightning all throughout the sky over there at night. Even back way up into here, watch the lightning storms at night. It's definitely peaceful here. Milo. What do you want, huh? Go play with your bone. So yeah, that's what rainy evenings look like off the front deck here. Never gets old. It's absolutely paradise. Definitely, like I said, this is one of the things that I'm going to miss about Belize the most, is this right here. Waking up to this every morning. And seeing the sun go down every evening. The sun's going down this time of year. It's right back in there.